is the purpose of deity worship?
Deity means Krishna's deity. Krishna and Krishna's deity is not different. The whole idea, spiritual knowledge means to understand God. So, Vedashta Sadvai Ahameva Vedam. That is the purpose of Vedic knowledge. So, just to favor you, you cannot see now God. So, Krishna has come in deity form to accept your service. And we have to render service. Not that it is a doll or stone. No, he is Krishna. Because you cannot see at the present moment except stone and wood, he has accepted this form like stone and wood so that you can see and understand. This is the purpose of deity work. Thank you very much.